Abdullah Kneader AE900A 3.5 kg being checked for Daraz order of 24th October 2023. This is the shipping label. Plastic blade is included, a metal blade is included, a measuring flask is included, and warranty booklet is included. It is okay from all the sides. There are no damages, as you can see. Start. Machine has started. It has very low noise. It easily kneads dough within 5 minutes. Lifesaver for housewives. It will automatically stop when the timer will come to the off position. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped, and now we will pack it for Daraz.